Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's lecture we are going to learn Python data types in very easy way. This lecture is especially helpful for beginner. If you are new to Python, then don't worry because I will explain everything step by step. Today our main topic are data types, different kind of Python data types, mutable, immutable data types, and Python number. These topics are the base of Python programming. In your base is strong, then learning Python become much easier. First of all, let's understand what our data type is. Our data types are tell us what kind of value a variable stores. It also tell Python what kind of operation can be performed on that values. For example, if you store a name like Ali, it is a text data. If you store age like 22, it's a number. If we store true or false value, it's a boolean value. So in a simple word, a data type is a category of data. So let's practice some example of that data types. First of all, we create a name variable. We can store name in this variable, and we another variable age variable, and inside the age variable we can store age of user, and uh, I create another variable student. We can store true. So even Python can tell us the data types of variable. So in this example, we can also check the data types of every variable. So simply call print, and inside the print function, we call the name variable, and also find types of that variable. We just copy this function and paste. So just call age variable here and call is student and is student. So run this program. So here is the example. You can see easily we can find data types of each variable one by one. Our first variable is string, and I think I doing wrong. We can store the age of the student in a string inside the quotation. They will think Python program think like this is a string data. So it's not a string. We just store the integer value without quotation. So now run again this program. They will change the data types of that variable. So a student is a true is a boolean value.